4-axis tilting head machining center. Processing demonstration. Cutting. The maximum processing dimensions for length and width are 1.3 meters. The height that can be processed is 500 millimeters. 11 kilowatts high power spindle. Drilling. The tool head can rotate 180. It can complete various side processing operations. Equipped with an automatic tool changer. Tools can be arbitrarily selected. Milling, shaping. Stable operation and high machining. Accuracy make it suitable for various engraving and curved surface processing. If you need any assistance, feel free to consult us at any time.